Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is time value of money annuities. We have 4 videos about time value of money: present value, future value, annuities, our topic today, and amortization schedule. All of the 4 videos, they are in our video description, okay, as well as the Excel file that we are working on the 4 videos. It is only one Excel file for all of our videos. So what is time value of money? A dollar or any other currency received today is worth more than a dollar or any other currency received in the future. Invested money earns income over time. We have 3 factors affecting the time value of money: the principal amount of the investment or borrowing, and it can be a single lump sum, a huge amount of money at the beginning or the end of our investment or borrowing, or annuity, a small amount of money after each period. That is what we will be working with. We are purchasing a lot of stuff and we will pay a small amount of money over time to pay this purchase. Number of periods, length of time from beginning of investment or borrowing until termination, and interest rate, annual percentage earned on the investment, or monthly or any other period. Simple interest only on principal amount. We usually don't work with simple interest on time value of money. We work with compound interest. Assumes all interest earned will remain invested at the same interest rate. So let's go to our Excel file. Let's increase it a little bit. Better. Assume you want to purchase new furniture for your home. The total purchase is $12,000. The finance conditions are 3 years and interest rate 0.5% per month or 6% per year. How much will you pay per month? Okay, so what do we have here? $12,000, and we will pay a lot of money per month, and we have the year at the end of the 3rd year. So period, 3 years, and I don't know if it's right or not. Let's discuss it later, or let's discuss it now. Period, 3 years is right. I will pay the conditions. I will pay per year. However, my payments will be monthly. If my payments will be monthly because our interest rate is per month, so our period will be 3 years times 12 months. So it will be 36 months. When we are talking about payments, when we work with time value of money, it is the PMT formula. Not only in Excel, but in a lot of financial calculators, it is the PMT. So let's find the function here. Function, financial. Usually it goes here, most recently used it, but let's go to financial. PMT, type P, and let's here, PMT rate, 0.5. Number of periods, 36. Present value is our purchase, so negative $12,000. We are taking this money, so it is a negative money for us. Or our final result has the opposite sign of the present value. Future value, we will not be paying anything at the end of our 3rd year or 36th month. And type, what is the difference here? 1, our first payment is today. 0 or blank, our first payment is at the end of the first period. That is the vast majority of our cases in time value of money. That is our case here. Okay. $365 per month. Okay, let's negotiate with the store. And the interest rate is not 0.5 per month anymore. It is 0.4. Whoops. 0.4. 358 instead of, instead of 365. So if we go to 0.4, 358, if we go to instead of 30 of 3 years, we have 5 years. So 5 times 12, 60 months, then we will pay 225. So we can create a lot of simulations over there. Okay. So here, what do we have is 365. Okay, guys. So thank you so much. Subscribe our channel. You will be the first one to know when our new videos are online. Usually it is 3 new videos per week. Like our Facebook page, Accounting Hub by Dr. Scarpin. And if you have questions or comments, just leave it here or email me at jscarpin@gmail.com. Okay, guys, have a very nice day and God bless you.